nutritious soup for them. This is pumpkin soup, and we will be mixing it with sardines, and we'll give it unto them so that their gut health, their tummy will be healthier. And here is the sardines. I'm going to smash it down so that I'd be able to mix it onto the pumpkin soup. I am now mixing the smashed sardines on the pumpkin soup and distribute it on 5 or 6 containers. Unom na lang dong, at upat na lang ipuno. And anybody, all of them can eat. There are already 25 of them in our humble home. Now it's been equally divided, and we're going to give it unto them. Tabang lalabutang. Here's the container number 1. All of them will swarm onto it. Another one here. Okay. Another one here. You have all of this for you. And over here, that one there.
Yeah.
Yeah. See? All of those. How many are those? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. The others are not joining. The white ones and the oldest one. Here's another white one. Eat na, Luna. Nanisagit si Luna sa mong batiis dong. Peace. Her previous name is Luna, but I'm naming her Peace.
Peace.
As you can notice, all of our cousins, I name it on good vibes. 1 syllable good vibes names. This is Pound, my kaliko boy, and that is Dough, and this is Key. How about you? You have not found your place yet? This is Lace, and that is Plain. Over there is Peace. This one is Gold. This one is Joy. And we have here, yes. We have here Help. And that is Rich. And that is Eve. And this one is Bed. Over here is Clear. Over here is Gold. And that is Peace. See? How nice it is to look at them. Eating. You eat. What happened, Jade? You're not eating. Healthy. This one, we treated him on his mouth because the other cheek got swollen. So, it's already been treated. And we need to extend the treatment for 2 more dosages.
Yes.
Wakasabot si Yes. May paning uban buyag. Ang mga on, may naay nindot to. Kisa mo to, ikaw Yes, sabay gasuka-suka. Kamo ni Eat. Eat na. Eat na. Hi. You eat so that you will be healthy. It will also help your fur so that all your shavings will be healed. Yes, why did you not eat? Hi, Dindin. This is what I've said. The one who had got pregnant is still skin and bone. Have not recovered yet. And now, she's in heat again. Dindin. What happened? You eat. Prabuyag ko dyan si Kuandong, oh. Si Help. Prabuyag na siya. Kikaon siya. You eat. You eat, Joy. This is Joy. Hi, Joy. Hi. Yaya. Eat, ikaw, Yaya. That's the eldest. O, tanawa, buyag, Ang kang Help nga plato. Wala. Uturot na. Buyag na siya mo na siyang healthy siya. Wala problema sa iyang kuan. Pareha sila ni kuan. Ni Lace. May problema. Hi. You eat. You eat bed. Suko na nanapog ang face. Maldita, ginis lunaw. Huwag kakaon si Kuan. Si Wako. Si Bed. Hello, oy. Yara. Ouch kayo. Mabdos na ba? Na. Sao na lang. Gidadaan na po tag mabdos. Pagka. Puro problemado. Nitabang ta para magka-problema. Nindot. Ginoo ko. In spite and despite, kita para pangayo ang pagsabot. Tuwangan pa gideng sabota. Ay. Kanay bahala Ginoo. Mapadako ni namo sa sakto. Sayod man ka. Hi. Dili man mi magsigig claim nga cat lover ni. Kita na nimo. Kita dapat buhat dili kutob ra sige yaw-yaw. Cat lover, naluoy, mingaw, sakit dughan. Yang magkinahanglan para sa health. Tagaan ra tag rason. Isod. Na lang. Kuntahon ang magpadayon ato basta kita gihimo nato tanan, mahimo nato. Sumaning pagpanyutero. Tayo sakripisyo. May manisipline. Higanda man na kayo anticipated naman kan kalitan ratag hatod 3 days ago. Wa gitay kalibutan, wa gitay nga onyo tirunon ra bilang duha diha, okay ra?
Wala yung kalimutan kay
Ambot lang.
Yang isuhulan.
Kasi pakialam. Nagkita.
Mahiya silang duha.
Di magud pwede ning mananak nga kutob ra tas yam-yam. Dapat yun atibanon.
Manon yun.
Sakripisyo ang panana.
Kay ganahan.
O nagsige na kag yam-yam nga wa ka nagsakripisyo. Dili na love.
Ayaw dito. Buhat na dili ka kakuan.
Hi, Hetty.
Ayaw.
We've been discussing with my husband. We have 2 adoptions wherein we are the one taking it from their place, but we are much more happy than those situations. The one that we fetched in Lapu-Lapu, which are the Tuxedo princesses, and the one that we fetch in Villalayson, the 2 blacks and the 130. Because the agreement is clear. It's not that we did not spend for the transportation on them, but we are having problems as well. Hi, Ding. Na, gisinaw yun ni ko ano. Gisinaw yun ni help. Hi. Si Kuan po naninguha ta. Paninguha. Siguro mo. Wa paka tarong ni kaon. Maglisod yung taon sa ning pinakagamay. Alanganin siya bagdapugon siya si Key. Kani si Lace. Okay ni si Lace. Pero buyag ni kaon dong ang piso. Kaon kay Ma'am Nusra baka. So that's all for now, guys. Thanks for watching on their nutritious soup party. Thanks for subscribing our channel, Precious Cats of Mama Keys, adding up to our 2,363 subscribers as of July 19, 2025. Thank you all, and see you all on our next video. Thank you. Handok siya ni Muya. Handok si Peace kang kuya. Layo Peace, kuya mo atras na. Busog na? Busog na si Peace? Balik na po na. She'll go upstairs again. Very timid cat. Here's bed. So, you say thank you. You be the one to say thank you. Goodbye. Kiki.